Istanbul has many beaches, but today I came to Kilyos. The sand here is soft and the sea feels endless. I came alone, and that doesn't make me sad. Most people take a sunbed, but I don't. I like to lie down on the sand itself, to feel the earth, to hear the waves close to my skin. The ground connects me to nature. Being alone here, I feel free. People often think loneliness is sadness, but it's not always so. Loneliness can be strength. Dostoevsky once wrote that man is sometimes extraordinarily, passionately in love with suffering, but I think solitude is not suffering. Maybe it's a way to meet yourself. I did some yoga here today, but that will be in my next video. So please subscribe and you will see it soon. Being alone teaches me to listen, to breathe, to see beauty without distraction. It's not emptiness, it's space, a space for the soul to rest. For now, I just walk, with the waves beside me and the sky above. And I know that being alone is not a curse. It's a gift. When I'm alone, I see nature more clearly. The sea tells me stories. The wind whispers secrets. Every step feels like a small poem. Rumi once wrote, "Silence is the language of God. All else is poor translation." And here, by the sea, in the quiet, I understand what he meant. Thank you for joining me on this walk. Please like this video and leave me a comment. I read them all, and I personally reply to each one. Goodbye for now. See you soon.